Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of wrist. The joint that connects the hand and forearm. For example, I fell over and sprained my wrist. The second definition of wrist. A machine has a stud that projects from the crank to attach a connecting rod. For example, if you feel joint pain in your wrists, elbows, shoulders or lower back, stop using the weights. American pronunciation. Wrist. Wrist. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Wrist. Say. Wrist. Wrist means joint connecting hand with forearm. Wrist. Wrist. Wrist origin. Old English wrist, likely of Germanic origin. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Osteoarthritis usually does not affect the wrists, elbows or shoulders. Now, repeat after me. Osteoarthritis usually does not affect the wrists, elbows or shoulders. The second practice. Maintain a slight bend in your elbows and keep your wrists aligned with your forearms. Now, repeat after me. Maintain a slight bend in your elbows and keep your wrists aligned with your forearms. Visual representation of wrist. Wrist means the joint that connects the hand and forearm.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.